So today we are going to start later. So first of all, you should know what is later. So what is later? What is later? Written masses conveyed from one person to another person. Okay, so what is later? Later is written masses which conveyed from one person to another person. Okay, got it? So this is the definition of later. And see, and today we will discuss that how many types of laters. We will discuss about types of later. So first one is, as you know very well, that is formal later. Okay. The second one is informal later. So there are two types of later. First one is formal and the second one is informal. Okay. So now, first of all, we will talk about this formal later. What comes in formal later? What comes in formal later? So you can write down here business or professional purpose. Business or professional purpose. Okay? And the simple tone. The second one is that should be written in simple tone. Okay, that should be written in simple tone. Now we will talk about the informal later. Okay, that what comes in informal later. So in informal later, that will be personal communication will be coming. Okay. See, personal communication, okay, personal communication, and the second one is casual or emotional tone, casual or emotional tone. So got it that we have talked about that what is later and types of later. So what is later? Later is the written masses conveyed from one person to another person. Okay? And types of later, formal later and informal later. What comes in formal later? Business or professional purpose. Okay? And that will be in simple tone. Okay? That the second one is informal later, and what comes in personal communication and casual or emotional tone. Okay, got it? Now we will see the format of the later. Okay, we will see the format of the later. So now we will get to know that format of the later. How we will start to write later. So look here. So first of all, we have to write sender's detail. Sender's detail means the person who is sending a letter. So you have to write that person's name and address. Okay. The second point, the second step. That second step you have to write date. Date should be written in a proper format. Okay, just like I have written here. Okay. So date. The Next one is receiver's details. Receiver's details. Okay, today is 26. Sorry. Okay, so look here. So receiver's details, name and address, same as sender's address. Okay. Now we will get to know salutation, and what we will write here in salutation, dear sir or ma'am. Okay. And the next one is subject. In subject, what we have to write, what the letter is about. Means in one line you have to talk about, means you have to write about what, that the letter is written about that particular thing only. Okay. Now coming to the next step that we have to follow, body. And body is the actual message of the letter. Okay. But in what we have to write in body, first of all we have to give introduction. And what we have to write in introduction, purpose of the letter. Means what is the purpose of writing a letter. The second point is main content. Main content means what? What is the problem? Means all detailed information. Means you have to write in that main content all the details, all the problems, means everything you have to write in the second step, that is main content. Then the third, summary. In this summary, what you have to write? Summarizes information. You have to summarize that information that you have written in main content. Okay, so let's see the seventh step, complimentary. So in this complimentary, you have to write yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Okay, just like that you have to write yours faithfully. And the last one is name and sign. There you have to write your name and you have to sign. And if you are working as a something, so there you have to write your designation. Okay. Till here, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So now I'm going to give you an example of how to write a letter. So let's see. This is the question that write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. So this is the question. So in this question, the question is asking that there you have to write a letter to the editor. Suppose you are Nikhil or Niharika. That question will be given like that you are Nikhil or Niharika, you are Amar or Aparajita, you are something. Means that question will be like that. You are suppose you are. So according to that question only you have to write. Okay. So here the question is what, there you have to write a letter to the editor informing him or her that there is a bad condition in your locality of what? Your road. Means bad condition of your road. Means you are facing problem. So let's see that how we have to write a letter. Okay. So please note it down. So now how to start write a letter? See, already I have given you that you have to write a letter to the editor of any newspaper to inform that people that you are facing some problem. And what is the problem? Bad condition of road. So how do you start? So as I have told you, the first step of writing is you have to write what? Sender's address. So here, Sector 9, Anandnagar, Kanpur, this is what? This is sender's address. Okay. As I have told you, the first step is you have to write sender's address. So you have to write Sector 9, Anandnagar, Kanpur. Okay. That address may be given in the question or it is not given. So you have to write by yourself also. The second step is what? You have to write date. Okay. The exact is proper writing of a date, format of what? this is the proper format of writing a date. Okay. Then the third step, as I have told you, that you have to write receiver's address. Okay, to whom you are writing a letter. So here you are writing a letter to the editor. Here this is the designation of the person, the editor. You are writing a letter to the editor. So you have to write the editor. Okay, newspaper's name, the Times of India, and where you are writing means place, Kanpur. Okay, as you are living in Kanpur, so there you have to write only Kanpur. Suppose you have to write in locality, means local newspaper. Okay. Suppose if you have written Delhi or Kanpur, so there will be big difference. Okay, there will be big difference because that is not local area. Delhi is another and Kanpur is another. Okay, so this is very important. As I have told you, the first step is what? To write sender's address, then date, then receiver's address. The fourth step is what? Salutation. Okay, the fourth step is salutation. Now we'll see the next step is subject. This is the subject. Okay, so first step, second step, this is receiver's address. Okay, third step, and this one is fourth step, and this one is fifth step. So we have written, I have written for 1 to 5 steps. So we will see the next step. What is the next step is? Next step is we have to write body. Okay, so there we will see. Now, see, this is the intro of writing a letter. As I have told you that there are three types of there are three part of writing a letter, means body. So this is the first part, introduction. So here this is very important line that you have to write in writing a letter. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad conditions of road in our locality. Okay, so this is very important line for writing a letter. This is a introduction. Okay, now we will see the next one is details.
Main content.
Main content. Okay. Okay, now we will see the next main content of the letter. Okay, so this is the main content. The conditions of roads is completely unacceptable. It has countless potholes, making the purpose of the road a big failure. Moreover, things get even worse during the rainy season when potholes are not visible due to the poor drainage system, and the area becomes heavily accident prone. The road users and especially residents are facing a lot of inconvenience due to the pathetic road conditions. So this is the main content. This is the main content, and if you have any doubt you can ask to me, otherwise I'm going to give you the summary of this later, means third part of body. Do you have any problem? Do you have any doubt?
Sir, please can you move? Can't see.
See, this video will be uploaded in YouTube also, on YouTube, okay? So till here, if you have any doubt you can ask to me, otherwise I will continue because we don't have enough time, only 2 minutes are there.
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to give you the summary of this later, okay? The third part of the body. Okay, so now we will see the next summary of this letter, and next is what the last step is complementary name and signature. Okay, so look here. It would be good if you publish this in your newspaper and the concerned authority will see the gravity of this matter, and some measures will be adopted to improve the conditions, and I hope that you consider the request of the residents of this area and take proper action. So this is what? This is the summary of the letter, the third part of body. After completing the sixth step means body, sixth step is body. Then seventh step is complementary. This is the complementary. This is the complementary. Yours faithfully, yours sincerely. And the next means the next and last step is name and signature or designation. So here, suppose you are Aman or Anamika or Aprajita, whatever the question is given. So there you have to mention name, Aman. And if you are secretary of something, so you can write there secretary. If you are leader of the school, so you can write your designation. So this is the last step, and this is the now the letter is completed. So now I hope that you have understood that how to write a letter. What is letter? How many types of letters? And what is the format of the writing a letter? So till here, I think you all have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me.
No, sir.
Okay, so thank you class, because
No,
now this is the Hindi period. Okay, so thank you so much, dear students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.